Alright, so I ordered this log splitter. I'm gonna just do a quick unboxing and just see what comes in the package. I'll try and put a picture on the screen. It's by WEN, W-E-N, the lumberjack. It's a 6.5 ton log splitter, they call it. So let's just see what you get in the box, and then I'll do another video after I get it put together and read the directions and everything. But let's see what we get out of the box. And this thing is heavy. It took two of us to get it down the stairs. Okay. Looks like we have a stand. I get part of it out. There's part of the stand. Some sort of handle. And you know what? It looks pretty cool, but I'm not going to be able to lift this out. Without my son. So what I may do, well, let me see what I can do. Okay, so we got it out of the box. So this is the unit, 65 ton, and they call it a log splitter. It is heavy. It feels like it's, or it just looks like it's built okay. A lot of heavy welds, heavy bolts, but yeah, I guess time will tell. So it comes with, you can use it just like this on the ground if you want to. But I ordered the one with the stand. So all these parts come. It should be pretty simple to put together. And it comes with a bag of nuts and bolts. With a couple wheels so you can roll it around, and the instruction manual. Oh, and here it is, a handle and a big Allen wrench and the instruction manual. So basically it doesn't look too complicated, but like I said, I'm going to look at the directions, go through them, get an idea, and then the next video, hopefully we'll be splitting some wood with it. Alright, thanks for watching. Talk to you again. Whoops.